Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to explain what version of Python you should use for machine learning. I'm going to go ahead and say out the gate I would use 3.7 specifically, and now if you don't want to go into the rest of the video or the details, you got your answer. But now I'm going to go into the details. There's a couple of reasons why you'd want to use 3.7. And for one, it's no longer in the bug fixing phase. According to the official Python website, it's in the security phase. So this technically means that it's the most stable version that has already been through the bug fixing phases. But I wanted to go over a couple other reasons why I chose 3.7. Now, I'll start out with the Microsoft tutorial for machine learning. They say that you should use from version 3.5 to 3.7. 3.5 is already outside of its lifetime span. So you can see here, end of life column. 2023 is the end of life for 3.6, and I'm guessing the end of life for 3.5 was sometime in the previous 5 years. So I would probably stick with 3.6 or 3.7, but I have seen some other people still use 3.5. For example, let's find it here. I was looking up some other tutorials on machine learning, and you can see that this guy here is using 3.5.2. So even though its life cycle has ended, he probably uses it because it just works and he knows it's going to work and he wants to stick with that version. But I think eventually that's not going to be what he wants to do. But this was on September 17th, 2020, originally posted on 2017. So it could just be a side effect of this being such an old post. So I will leave that at that, and I'll continue showing you some examples. Here's a very recent video from 2 months ago, and this guy's using Anaconda, the Anaconda environment, which I recommend. It's a Python environment sort of manager, and he's using Python version 3.7 in his machine learning projects. Here's another website, realpython.com, machine learning tutorial, and they're also using version 3.7. Here we have somebody using 3.6, and this person using 3.6.9. So I think it's safe to say that any version between 3.5 and 3.7 will most likely work. I would prefer to use 3.7 because it's the latest version that's out of the bug fixing phase, and it's probably going to be compatible with most packages that are out there, especially the machine learning packages like Keras or scikit-learn. And I am, like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just getting into machine learning, but I was having a hard time choosing what version of Python to use. So hopefully this video helps you out if you have the same question. Thanks for watching.